Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the charcoal facial wipes from Dollar Tree, also distributed by Greenbrier. These wipes, you get 30 of them. They are unique in the way that they are black. Yes, these wipes are black. I've never seen a black wipe. I know it's like a thing now, but when the Dollar Tree brought these out, I've never seen a black wipe. So that's pretty cool, pretty unique. And at $1, you really can't beat that. These are 7.8 inches by 5.9 inches. That's the size of the wipe. I like that these wipes actually have despite being just $1, a plastic closure. Very nice. It actually really does close very well. Keeps the wipes nice and fresh. Now I left my little tab on here. You can take that off. So these wipes are saturated. In comparison to other Dollar Tree wipes that I've tried in the past, or just other wipes in general, some of them might not be as saturated or wet with the cleaner on them, but these actually are. They're very nice and wet. Also, to maximize that, you can store your wipes down like this. If you store your wipes upside down like this, it will guarantee that the first wipe is always wet and saturated and ready to go. These wipes actually have a masculine scent along with their kind of manly packaging, but I understand these are a charcoal wipe. It's a charcoal cleanser, and they kind of go in with a theme. Honestly, I love Dollar Tree's blue and green and grays that they pair together sometimes. They are a manly scent. I like that though. They smell great. It reminds me of, I don't know how to describe it, but it kind of just reminds me of a almost woodsy scent, but not quite. I just really like that scent in general, like a more manly woodsy scent. So I am loving these wipes. There is a warning on these about keep out of reach of children, for external use only, and also the getting in your eyes. So be careful around your eyes with these. It can cause stinging, and I experienced that firsthand. I accidentally touched the wipe to my eye when I was cleaning my face with these, and it did sting a lot. Now, it claims on the packaging that they remove light makeup. Yes, I tested this with light makeup and a full face of makeup. It cleanses your face when you have the light makeup on. Like, it will really take it off, and you know, your face will be clean and nice. But when you have the full face of makeup on, I mean like foundation and powder too, the wipes don't work very well. So, I mean, that was right for them to put that claim on the package. They're not for removing heavy makeup. And it says it draws out dirt and oil. And I do think these wipes do a great job at cleansing your face. I would agree to that as well, especially draws out dirt. When you use one of these wipes, after you're done, you can look down at it and really see like little white spots on them. And I don't know if it's like that's just where it drew out dirt, a blackhead, or what, but there's like always like white specks on the wipe. Now, these are soft wipes, but at the same time, I do feel that they're almost a light exfoliant. Not that the wipe itself has a like texture to it, because it really doesn't. Maybe it's just because they're cheaper wipes. That's not really a complaint of mine. I actually feel like it gets my skin cleaner. It says it leaves your face feeling clean and refreshed, and I totally agree with that as well. I do believe that these wipes do leave my skin feeling very refreshed and very cleansed. But typically what I like to do personally is I will use my makeup remover from Garnier, and then I will go in with 2 of the charcoal facial wipes and make sure everything is just cleansed off of my face. They do work great for that. Overall, I do think that this is a great find, a gem at the Dollar Tree. These by far are my favorite wipes that I've tried from the Dollar Tree. I've tried a few of their makeup wipes. I have some reviews. You can check them out in the description box. But overall, these have been fantastic. I really like them. These do a wonderful job. I love the scent. I love how saturated they are. I love the plastic closure, the packaging in general. You get 30 of these for $1. They're decent sized. This product is definitely worth the $1, and I will most definitely be repurchasing if I find these again in my store. I'm so glad that I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. They've been great. So, hope you guys enjoyed the review, found it helpful. Hopefully you'll go out and want to try these out for yourself. I didn't have any, also want to add, I didn't have any breakouts or skin irritations while using these. Overall, I do think these did a great job at detoxifying, cleansing, and drawing out dirt. I mean, they did. So, stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to ring the bell, subscribe, and like the video if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you guys for watching again.